Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and in this video, I'm going to show you the real truth behind Go High Level's AI Studio. All right, you must have seen many videos on my channel where I discussed with you regarding the new Go High Level AI Studio page builder. Now, it's not just a page builder, but it's also an app builder. So you could literally code anything. It's more like the AI Claude being on top of high level so that you can make things done. However, one con that I noticed, and I'm probably sure that you are noticing too, is that once you create a website, it's very hard in order to make changes to it. Because as a professional website builder, I've been building website landing pages in a courses system and the entire Go High Level persona for our clients for the last 5 years. And I can tell you that when we build out custom projects for our client expectations are very high. We want them to give very design, detailed, and strategy focused output product and the entire CRM system for their high level account, right? But when you have AI build things up, and guess what? It can really copy stuff very well. For example, I was trying to create a home service AI business, and guess what? The website created this pretty well. It's neat, clean, tidy. I can't complain on that. But guess what? When I started making changes to it, it was a mess. It was taking a lot of time and a lot of issues came up. Because me as a professional builder, I would like to create it in my own way where I can customize it to make it look really, really premium, high converting. Each section should be defined the way I want for my client so that my client can maximum every single buck for the money they spend on hiring our team. Guess what happened? When we try to create it Go high level, we try to make changes. For example, this is the hero section that you see in the background, which is probably what you'll see now is the complete pitch dark because we wanted to add a video at the background. But guess what? It failed to add a video, even though the AI said that I've added a high quality background video, the hero section, feature of the home service in action. But guess what? It did not work. So this is still in beta phase. Probably this is the reason why it's still not working efficiently as I wanted. A few things that of course work. For example, when I focus on this contact us or on this logo, it goes up. This is the condition that I provided, so I really like that. But apart from it, it really is taking time, and probably many of you might not even have the patience to do it. But if you are a beginner, if you want to get something done, not specific to how I want my amazing website to look for higher conversion done professionally by a team, then this is good for you. As of now, this website builder still needs a lot of work. I hope the high level team is still working on this because the AI needs to really listen to the feedback that we are providing in order to get super customized, design oriented projects done on the page builder. For example, something like this that you see, this was done over a lot of effort and a lot of detailing. AI will fail to create something like this that we have built for our client because this comes up after a lot of thinking, a lot of discussions, and a complete marketing strategy built directly in our Go High Level account by us in our client's account, right? This is something that you will not get when you try to use the Go High Level AI Studio. But guess what you can get? You can get something simple and basic like this. Okay, all these are black, by the way. So yeah, something like this is of course possible, but only when you give good references. I will create a lot of AI videos on how to use AI into high level. And guess what? You can get benefit of that too. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel in case you would love to know as to how to create these kind of videos. But as of now, as of till date, this is still very, very big enough and it has a lot of issues in order for us to reduce opacity. I mentioned that probably if there's a dark overlay you should reduce the opacity. It still did not work, right? So a lot of things are still need to be focused on. Probably this will be enhanced because it's been only a few days, but I believe that this feedback will be helpful for Go High Level Efficient team in order to improve this builder. But as of now, I'll always recommend people to use the in-house page builder that Go High Level has. If you go to sites, if you go to funnels and website, this will give you the entire suite of how you can create these kind of funnels. And guess what? They do a pretty good job because you can then manually customize them. All right. So if you have any question, do let me know. in the comment box. If you're facing any kind of issues related to AI Builder, let me know. I'll also share my experience on that and give you tips so that you can create the best out of the AI facilities available on the HighLevel platform. All right. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one.